Well, we decided to pay a visit to the Halifax market. One or two items which we wanted, so we thought we'd just have a look around this old place. It's a classic Victorian style market, and lots of cast iron, and of course on the floor it's the old stone flags, the Yorkshire flags. Well, there's plenty of opportunity in this market if you want to have a cup of coffee, tea, a meal. Lots of eating places throughout the market. It's quite a good selection.
Whatever you want.
Now there's a noticeable difference of light in the market now with the work going on with the roof. It's a lot lighter, a lot brighter. It used to be quite dark before. It's a lovely market. It's classic cast iron structure and stone floors. Bradford used to have a market like this, a lot bigger and a lot grander. And of course, Bradford Council, as usual, just pulled it down. Lots of interesting features in this market. The architecture really is quite unique. And very nice stalls in this place as well. It's well worth a visit. It so much reminds me of the old Kergate market in Bradford, which I just mentioned, which the council pulled down many years ago. And you don't often see markets like this now. Well, what they're doing with the roof, the glass panels, they're cleaning all the grime off that's accumulated over the years, and it's certainly made a lot of difference. It's a lot brighter. There is parts of the roof to be done yet, and still plenty of scaffolding about. And then we see the old sandstone flagstones. And here's a nice hoarding with a nice mural on. This is now gone.
In the market.
Well, it certainly makes a difference with these roof panels being cleaned, and you can see all the cast iron work there a lot clearer. It's amazing to see it all.
Everything old-fashioned, nothing touched. An amazing looking old-fashioned market. Even stone floors.
Well, there you can see the dark roof panels which have not been cleaned yet. What a difference. It was completely covered like that originally, all dark, stained. And the smells in these markets, it just reminds me of the old Kergate, it really does. And it's so sad that market was pulled down. There was lots of people protesting about it, but of course they were completely ignored. And there you can see the huge amount of scaffolding there erected.
New concrete pad there must be.
Now I took this video on two different occasions, two separate weeks, so you might notice a bit of continuity, especially the coat what Elizabeth is wearing. Well, it's really nice and bright is the area now with all the glass panels being cleaned. I originally thought the glass was being replaced. That was my mistake, but no, they're just cleaning all the dirt and grime off. Quite an impressive place. Amazing cast iron structures, castings there are amazing. All this amazing ironwork. It's almost like a cathedral. Of course, the nice castings there, glass panels. I wonder how many shoppers actually come in here and never never ever give it a glance upwards and see this amazing architecture. They probably just shop normally and never give a second thought of looking at all this amazing ironwork. I think we cared for them, did we? Did we care for them last time? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, no, it's still there and there. Look.
Oh yeah.
Got a mop. String.
The market was designed by local architects Joseph and John Leeming. Now the market opened in 1896 by the Duke and Duchess of York, who later became King George V and Queen Mary. Now a 7,000 square yard or 5,850 square metre canopy of glass and wrought iron covers the space between ornate 4-storey stone buildings and topped by baroque turrets. Now the multi-storey building contains living quarters originally for market traders and managers, and water was originally drawn from a well near the Market Street entrance. There were originally 43 outward facing shops, all butchers in the old stone buildings, with the exception of Albion Street where there was a fish market and 3 public houses on Market Street. The pubs were the Wheat Sheaf, later renamed the Portman and Pickles, and the Saddle and Peacock. The Portman and Pickles was named after Eric Portman and Wilfred Pickles. Now, if you've never heard of Eric Portman, he was a famous film star in the 30s, 40s and 50s, and he was born in Halifax. And Wilfred Pickles was a famous radio presenter who was also born in Halifax.
Still a lot to do, but look a bit on to roof cleaning. Getting there though. Quite a lot of work being done. A lot better than it was.
Now this is a favourite stall of mine, an ironmonger. You get to just about everything here. You don't seem to see as many of ironmongers these days in the high street as you used to.
Have a look here.
Yeah, I've had a look.
You've got a new nail brush, don't you?
No, I'm alright at the moment.
Eh?
No, I don't need any.
Oh.
There's another very popular and always busy takeaway. I'm not sure whether it's Chinese or Taiwanese. Well, walking down here is definitely an improvement. As I mentioned before, it's a lot lighter now. It used to be very dark down this area. Just one or two empty spots about. I think possibly they're being redeveloped. Some of them look like they've got new floors down. Now the interior of the market gently slopes down from the corn market entrance at the top end, and it gently slopes down to the exit at Market Street. You can see the slope there. It gently slopes down towards the left. There's lots of new plans for this market over the next few years, and I've just included here a few extracts from their website, some pictures and a little bit of info. The new toilets are certainly going to be appreciated by shoppers.
Fancy dress. Which way ever you want. Right, left hand side.
Yeah.
That's
And now we're making our way to the exit on Market Street. And a good view there of the slope which you go down to get onto to Market Street. Now this video was taken late last year, just before Christmas, and there was a lot of work still being done, and this is the base of the clock, which I believe they're going to lay a new surface. You can see all the excavation and all the rubble and bits and pieces. I think that base is new, that concrete base. The difference in the place is totally different. It's so bright now. You can see where the windows have been cleaned and some of the scaffolding has been removed. There's still scaffolding up. The work isn't completed, but it's so nice and bright now, and it's a lot more pleasant. Still quite a lot of work to do, but it's a big difference. Definitely a big improvement. It's unique to see all this Victorian ironwork still in existence. It's amazing, and there you can still see some of the scaffolding for the rest of the work. Well, I hope you found this of interest, and once again thank you for watching.